Take a ride in the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.